friend. Like we said earlier in the last video, you want to go somewhere a bit more warm, like San Francisco, the Bay Area.
Here in the Pacific Northwest, in the winter season, it gets cold, wet, and gray most of the time. Bussel's not leaving Mr. Heater. It'll be a few days before we get to our destination, but here is a video of our adventure we took at Ocean Shore, where I show you how I catch Dungeness crab, cook a gourmet meal at the ocean. But first, we're gonna stop by our local grocery store and pick up some bait. Just picking up some chicken, whatever the crab eat. They're not that picky. I will be using two 12-inch round crab pot. After I place my bait in the pot and secure it, I'll be working my way up on top of those rocks and throw my pot for a catch. On these rocks, when they get wet, it get pretty slippery, so be mindful, you can get hurt if you fall. But oh, look at that, parkour buster. We had our crab pots out there, a couple of them, and tides coming in. So in about 15 minutes we'll pull it up, and after we pull it up, we measure, see how big it is, keepers or female or male, something like that. And other than that, it's gonna have to wait. All right, see you a bit. Well, it's been 15 minutes now. I'm gonna pull up my first pot. I feel some weight on this. Oh, look at that. I think I got a couple in there. Let's see it. Wow, and some seaweed. Okay, I think I got a keeper in there. Let's see it. There you go. Yeah, one male and one female. We keep the male and we release the female. The tides are also coming in, so we're gonna have to do this pretty quick. I'm pulling up my second pot. I also feel some weight on this. Let's see what I got. Oh, look at that. I got a couple of them also. There you go. One male and one female. Again, we gotta keep the male and release the female. My friend John that showed me this technique of crabbing, he's here also crabbing, and he will show you his dancing crab. We went clamming this morning, and now I'm all done crabbing for the day and heading back to the elephant to cook us a gourmet feast. Back in our elephant, I'll be making some jasmine rice and some razor clam that we caught earlier this morning and some curry crab that we make later. These are the crab we caught earlier. I'm putting a half can of beer in my steamer pot. The beer adds a wonderful flavor to the crab meat. I will steam it for 15 minutes. Alright, the cooking is done, and here's our stir-fried clam and our stir-fried curry crab and some jasmine rice. Let me know if you love jasmine rice like I do. I am ready about to feast on. I finish up this video with a painting. Buster is showing me a perfect spot to set up. Thank you, buddy. This is a perfect location. Thanks for watching our video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. It would help us a lot. And hit the like button and the notification so you won't miss any of our video. We'll see ya. Bye.